It's me again, Mr. 10 million videos. What do I got? Got me a box of stuff here. First I have this, I'm going to repair it later. It's got a problem with it. But that's not totally unrelated. I have tractor parts, and this is a set of points. It's a Tisco points. I have a spare voltage resistor for a tractor. Voltage resistor. These are Ford 9N parts. I also have a, put it down here. Let me turn it on. Nice and bright. This is a ignition distributor. So I'm gonna look at it. I probably shouldn't. Probably gonna break or something. I'll look at it anyway. Order a whole extra distributor because apparently the other one is kaplunk. So here's the distributor, which is doesn't come with coil. Oh, there we go. Now, why would you put? Why did like? That's in a stupid spot. Nice new distributor. Very nice. Decently packed. Goes on like so. Coil goes on top. I'll put it back in the bag before I destroy it accidentally. Not on purpose, of course. So that came in the box. Oh, this was packed as no idea. Just toss it back in the box. Tells you that spare parts. That's what this is. This is the spare parts I picked up. I also picked up not one, but two ignition coils. You'll have to see both of them. Both ignition coils are the same. I'm just going to make sure it's in there. Ooh, look at that. Fancy little styrofoam. Ooh, what is that there? There's a fancy, wonderful tractor ignition coil. Little screw on there. There's the little spring. Very nice. I'd love to know what's inside one of these things. Not today. I'm not taking that apart. Nope. I got two of these because you just never know what's in a box of chocolates. So that's the coil. Picked up a, what is this? Tune-up kit. Ford tractor tune-up kit for 9N, 2N, 8N front mount distributor. I have both a 8N and a 9N, so this is handy. I also picked up some literature. Let's see. Because who doesn't want books on tractors, right? Yeah, let's see. This is Ford Tractor Operator's Manual. An 8N Operator's Manual. That would be mine. Ford Service Manual for 8N. And this is a 9N and a 2N Owners and Mechanics Manual. So that would be pretty darn good. Yeah, that seems cool. Like getting beaten by mosquitoes. Yeah, that seems, this is pretty cool. In case you want a 2 or 9N. They're pretty cheap, like $10. Rules for safe tractor operation. You want to read the rules? Just, I wouldn't be doing any tractor pulling or trying to pull, what do you call it? Wind turbines down with a little tractor. So if you want to read it, click pause and check it out. Got that. Ford tractor with the Ferguson system. Ooh, this one's got nice glossy pages. Ooh, that's weird. Neat little book here. Doesn't have much information. This is a owner's manual instruction book. Why the hell I bought that? No idea. But it's for a 2 and a 9N. And this is a master parts catalog. master parts catalog for the heck. So this is a 9-2M, 8M, whatever. Close it. Throw this in the garbage bin. Garbage. Oh, sweet. Has diagrams and everything. Holy crack-a-mole. Look at that. Has 1953, 48. Oh, look, an electrical diagram. That's for, this is pretty cool. This is battery cables and, that is neat. Neato, neato. What is this? Starter drive assembly. This is not, this is for, 50, 353 air cleaner. Mine has a round bottom. That's a different one. Look at all the diagrams. Yeah. So, pretty useful. So if I want to take my entire engine apart, I have a complete master parts catalog. Get a kind of a diagram of it, which is pretty cool. This seems very useful. If not only for the diagrams, but also the part numbers. Are they all valid? I have no idea. When was this? Copyright 1952. I don't think it's too valid, but hey, look. Model 9NAN running kerosene. Anybody still drive a kerosene powered tractor? Or is that diesel? Cool. So yeah, one master parts catalog. It's pretty much what I got. Why did I get all this? Because it's good to have extra parts for a little tractor. Service manual. I didn't open up the service manual. Yeah, then service manual. Let's see. Alien service manual. Seems pretty. Says 56 pages. Little tiny Ford service manual. Let's see this one. Come on. Ta-da. There we go. Ford tractor operator's manual. Air cleaning replacement. What is this? Oh yeah, it's true. This is an 8N. This is for my 8N, which is sitting outside rusty, but I'm going to fix it. So anyway, I'll put this back in the bag so we don't destroy the books. Put them back in the thing. That's pretty much it for this video. Just showing what I picked up. And again, I just wanted to have some spare parts. I am probably going to be buying a lot more tractor parts because when I move in the new shop, I'm going to haul that tractor into the new shop and probably work on it all winter, which would be nice. So, if you haven't already been disgusted by the glare on my forehead, please subscribe to my channel. I have 1,200 and currently I have 1,201 subscribers. And to that 1,201st subscriber, you're awesome. To the other 1,200 subscribers, you're all awesome. Thanks for joining. So it's just like mind-boggling that I have subscribers, and that's on my eye. It's just awesome to have. Hope everybody has a great summer, and I'll probably post this video this week or next week or something, or 4 months from now on a Tuesday. So if you see this video on Tuesday, it's Tool Time Tuesday. I stole that off somebody else and just keep running with it. So Tool Time Tuesday. Every Tuesday I post videos of tools, and if I have too many, I just post them all week. But thanks for watching. Toodles.